Duel with another tutorial. First and foremost, Happy New Year's to everyone. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going over Healthy AI 1.0 for circular text and how to run the application from the GitHub repo we have here. Daily nutrition data, and we would take this file and visual new. It's the latest visual file. You go here and read the README. Okay. First, in this folder, I have it as Daily Nutrition 4 because I'm working on updated version. So the version you would download won't be the final updated version, but it's similar. Okay. And this is my daily intake. And I usually show how it works. But today I don't have too much time, so I would just give you all a brief example. You'll put in, go here to foods.csv. You'll go to the serving. You got the size and grams. You'll put how many grams you ate inside here. See if I eat a black bean veggie burger, I'll put about 200 grams. That's about 2 burgers worth. I eat on bread, so I'll say about for the bread. You'll see that's very low for like one bread. If I can find it. I'm looking for white bread. Right here, 28. That must be one slice of bread. So I would say about, let's give it about 2, 3, 4 slices. So about 100. So 120 if you want to over. What else I eat? I ate an apple. I'm not sure if that apple amount is correct. I would just say 130. Avocado, the spread on my bread, 40. Avocado is high, so I would say about 120. And let's just say, let's throw some fruit in there, even though I didn't eat, or some vegetable, even though I didn't eat vegetables, to show the different, no, fish, actually. Fish, let's see. Score 49. That's not a good score for a health score out of 100. So let's see what happened and what I need. The nutritional visual is to show you. I got this on the laptop. 8.py will show you, or its main visual in your folder. It will show you the visual of your intake goals. Would make your intake overall be 100. I was explaining to someone on the TikTok channel that it's not for every single one where it's adjusted. It's overall adjusted, so you won't see big adjustments made in the single one where it could be better. Here's the visual. You say that cholesterol is at 55. You're going to be lower by 4%. Added sugars, lower by 1. Potassium, you're going to up it. Just different visuals. And this is Daily Nutrition, Healthy AI. A little explained better than what I usually put on TikTok, or what we usually put on TikTok. 1/3 of developers, and 1/3 of the developer team, circular text. And thanks for having me and watching this video. And please let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Take it easy. Happy New Year, guys.